Going ground, extra 105 Mike, Galvin, information, November, Mercer departure.
Extra 105 Mike, going ground. Stay in your position.
We're at Galvin, extra 5 Mike.
Extra 5 Mike, runway 32 right, taxi via Alpha.
32 right via Alpha, extra 5 Mike. We're clear left and right. Boeing Tower, extra 105 Mike, 32 right, Mercer departure.
Terminal 10 Mike, Boeing Tower, runway 32 right, clear for takeoff, caution wing turbulence from 737, departed to a little over 2 minutes ago.
Okay, extra 105 Mike, clear for takeoff, 32 right.
No delay, please.
We're on the roll.
For 10 Tango, square your turn to 2 base and turn to final traffic card prior to your arrival.
10 Tango, roger.
Final's clear, runway's clear.
Boeing 662, Boeing Tower, standby, number 44I for release. Here, team under 1 Delta Bravo, the extra up one off the parallel runway will be a northeast bound turn, runway 32 left at Alpha 11, clear for takeoff.
Tower, Skyline 37 Tango, would be in the stadiums now.
37 Tango, thank you, traffic on the upwind northeastbound towards the north end of Mercer Island and is an extra.
I'll be looking, Skyline 37 Tango.
Extra 5 Mike, traffic just west of the Mount Baker Tunnel, southeast side at 1,500 is a Skyline, just remain at or below 1,000 until further notice.
Okay, out or below 1,000, looking for the Skyline, extra 5 Mike.
Otter 10 Tango, thank you for your help. Turn right at Alpha 3, contact ground, have a good morning.
Alpha 3 is in the ground, 10 Tango, good morning.
Extra 5 Mike has the Skyline in sight.
Citation 67 Bravo Delta, standby number 3 for I for release. Extra 5 Mike, pass behind that traffic, thank you, and you can resume normal navigation.
5 Mike.
937 Tango, the extra has you in sight.
Roger, 37 Tango, we're still looking.
Traffic, 1 o'clock.
One Delta Bravo, contact Seattle departure, have a safe flight.